Guys, so now this obviously isn't gonna work. So we got this 10 mil right here, and if you see it underneath, it'll be on this but on the opposite side of basically where you can't see it. A lot of times though, it's pretty cool because I'll be in here working and I could just feel my way around. Alright guys, so we went ahead and removed these two screws, so we have more access. Just move this stuff out of the way. Now we can see everything that's going on. Alright guys, so this bolt from the inside was just spinning in place, and this piece right here was blocking my access to this, and we were already gonna put a new one anyway, so I just popped it out. So really the fun part is gonna be when we place this screw back in right here, because there's really no... Let me show you why this bolt wasn't coming out. We got it. I'm a beast. This thing is on fire right now. Guys, I had to go ahead and remove these 3 bolts so I could get access to that opposite bolt, which was behind the handle, so there was no way of me getting into it from here.